Happy Labor Day. Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Monday, September 1st, 2025. Mid-level water vapor imagery with GLM lightning beginning Sunday afternoon shows weak low pressure centered west of SouthOps, a weak frontal boundary over western Oregon, deeper low pressure with lots of lightning well northeast of the Hawaiian Islands, and the monsoon pushing into the Gulf of California and Baja, Mexico. Infrared and true color visible satellite imagery with surface observations shows a lot of smoke from the Gifford fire spreading north across the Sierras, the new TGU Springs fire east of Redding, instability clouds far eastern areas, and a lot of smoke from the fires across Siskiyou County. No lightning nor precipitation have been observed in the past 24 hours. The fire and smoke map shows impacting smoke across much of Siskiyou County, with a smoke forecast currently being issued daily for that area. A heat advisory is in effect for southern areas of NorthOps today, while fire weather watches are in effect for Tuesday for potential lightning. Today's 6Z Ensemble GFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows high pressure centered across the interior west, weak low pressure off of the California coast, and stronger low pressure centered west of Washington. Today through Tuesday, the low west of Washington moves west, while the low west of California moves northeast into NorthOps as a trough. That trough drifts north of NorthOps Wednesday with broad southerly flow Thursday through Friday. A new shortwave trough moves over NorthOps Friday into Saturday, with general troughing centered west of the coast, remaining across NorthOps Sunday. That offshore trough moves further east toward the coast next Monday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast accurately shows lots of moderate to very low RHs this morning, especially across mid-elevations around the Sacramento Valley. Southerly winds increase today, especially across northeast areas, breezy to locally windy, especially across portions of eastern Siskiyou County this afternoon, while min RHs dip into the upper single digits and teens across mid to lower elevations. Tonight through Tuesday morning, drainage winds converge in the Sacramento Valley with very poor to poor RHs across many areas, including the coastal mountains. Late Tuesday morning through the evening, surges of southeast winds are expected across the Sierras, spreading north and northwestward, likely due to thunderstorms as enhanced westerlies push in through the Bay Area. Better but still poor RH recoveries are likely across much of the area Wednesday morning, with a somewhat breezy general south through west flow Wednesday afternoon. No thunderstorms are expected today, but some are likely on Tuesday. The 0Z high-resolution ensemble model forecast for Tuesday afternoon shows a chance of thunderstorms across northeast areas, greatest across the Sierras and far east side. The 12Z HRRR model simulated radar reflectivity shows potential consistent with the HREF for Tuesday, with some morning shower and thunderstorm potential east of Sacramento into the Sierras Tuesday, followed by afternoon to evening isolated to widely scattered activity over northeast areas. The 6E EC lightning density forecast shows tomorrow morning's lightning potential across the southern half of California, followed by some mostly low to moderate lightning potential Tuesday afternoon further northwest than those other models, and the greatest potential east of Sacramento into the Sierras. Chances diminish Tuesday evening, but some returns overnight to Wednesday morning around Chico eastward. The EC shows moderate to high lightning potential across northern areas Wednesday afternoon, a lesser potential Thursday afternoon, and still some notable potential for Friday and Saturday afternoons. It is likely that widespread aerial smoke is at least partially the reason for the widespread in the potential convection solutions from the various weather models. The CNRFC 6-day precipitation forecast in 24-hour increments shows precipitation across mainly northeast areas Tuesday with some wetting amounts, mostly east of the Sierras and Cascades. More patchy, non-wetting amounts are shown for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook has a lot of high risk for lightning in the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday, followed by mostly moderate risk later this week, diminishing further this weekend. Meanwhile, SouthOps is forecasting some moderate risk this week, greatest in area early this week related to mixed wet and dry thunderstorms, but continuing longer for the central coast, interior, and western mountains as thunderstorm potential continues mid to late week but becomes wetter with time. In summary, very low to low RHs exist across mid-elevations this morning. Gusty southerly winds are expected across northeast areas today, with minimum RHs in the upper single digits to teens across lower to mid-elevations of the interior. Low pressure west of the coast will bring thunderstorm potential to the Sierras north and northwestward Tuesday, but there's significant uncertainty regarding the western edge of the thunderstorm coverage. High risks for lightning and burn environment are forecast for Tuesday west of the Sacramento Valley and for lightning north and east of the Sacramento Valley. A high risk for thunderstorms is again forecast for Wednesday for the Northwest Mountains, Northeast California, and the Northern Sierras. Some thunderstorm potential continues across mainly the Northwest Mountains PSA Thursday through Saturday. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.